Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make your own bone broth at home, easy method. Start by roasting bones until golden to deepen flavor. Add vegetables, herbs, and a splash of vinegar to help extract minerals. Simmer gently for 8 to 24 hours, skimming foam occasionally for clarity and taste. Cool, strain, and refrigerate or freeze in portions for meals, sauces, and nutritious sipping anytime. Layering flavors matters for a broth that warms the soul. Sweat vegetables briefly before adding bones to release sweet aromatics. A splash of apple cider vinegar helps leach calcium and collagen from bones, boosting nutrition. Simmer slowly and avoid boiling hard to keep the broth clear and silky. Taste near the end and finish with salt, fresh herbs, or a squeeze of lemon for bright balance. Handle and store bone broth safely to preserve flavor and nutrition. Rapidly chill the pot in an ice bath or divide into shallow containers before refrigerating. Broth keeps about 5 days chilled or 3 months frozen when stored airtight. Remove solid fat if you prefer a cleaner mouthfeel, or stir it back in for extra calories and richness. Reheat gently and enjoy in recipes from risotto to simple morning sips.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.